Spain, blood red with a band of orange, some yellow and a halo of pure white, the cloudless skies over southern Spain begin to glow with the day's first light. Gibraltar, just to the east, appears blue. And the waters of the Alborán Sea are black. Our 2018 Porsche 718 Boxster GTS, Miami blue over black, is still damp from sleeping outdoors. This an issue, but it isn't light. Or sound. The Porsche's turbocharged horizontally opposed four-cylinder comes alive with a pop to its two sizable center-mounted exhaust pipes and quickly settles into a rhythmic thrum as it shakes off the overnight cold. Its tires thump over the cobblestones of the hotel's drive. It's warmth we need. And coffee. Summer pyrolists need heat to work, and still on California time, we are desperate for a double espresso. Until they come, this 2018 Porsche Boxster GTS and Spain's cold, and in some cases ancient, asphalt are a dicey combination. Just a few corners into the narrow and twisting two-lane winding through the coastal hills, and it becomes obvious that grip-on is a real problem. Incidentally, it seems that the Spanish have a love of off-camber corners, because they all are. PSM officially stands for Porsche Stability Management, but the system is earning its nickname, Please Save Me. Without its intervention, our turquoise two-seater would have already kissed the hillside at least twice, or worse, it would have smashed through the spindly-looking rail that lines this trail and smashed its mid-engine self to bits on the rocks below. The good news is that our Caffeine Jones has been replaced with a flood of endorphins triggered by the instinctual desire to live. With more sunlight comes more grip, and more speed. By 7:30 a.m., the road and the tires have gained temperature and we're flat out in one of the world's greatest sports cars on an epic, undulating motorway that climbs toward the hillside village of Algodocin, a picturesque oasis of white stucco within these dark green hills. When the 718 Boxster GTS and 718 Cayman GTS arrive at dealers in March, they will be the most powerful and the best performing machines in the company's mid-engine lineup. Remember, the Cayman GT4 is no longer available. Here are the numbers. The flat 2.5-liter has been pumped up to 365 horsepower at 6,500 revolutions per minute. That's 15 horsepower more than you get in 718S models, although it's 20 horsepower less than in the GT4, which was powered by naturally aspirated 6 that peaked up at 7,400 revolutions per minute.
If